So, got a package from eBay. It's very oddly shaped, but necessary. Pause. But yeah, we're about to. Oh my God, a bunny! See it right there. It's a little one too. Hello, friend. How's it going? How's it going, pal? How's it going, friend? I'll send you some vegetables when I go downstairs. Or go upstairs. I'll throw them down. He's eating the little plants. Thank you, sir. Because there's a lot of weeds over there. Boom. I have no idea really how to put this on. You know what's weird? So two of the so it goes like this. It's funny because one of the missing clips is so I have these 3 clips here, 1, 2, 3, and this thing doesn't have these clips here, 1 and 2. I have 1 here, 1 here. But yeah, that's just kind of funny that it's like pretty much the ones I'm missing is here. But yeah, we just I think you slide this into the notch like that and then pop them in. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, hopefully this thing stays like that. I have no idea how to pop these out. Look at that, it already fell. And that is not what I wanted to happen. Okay, so that just slides there. So I mean, I guess it'll just slide on. Okay, so that's annoying. I'll have to pop these other ones on and maybe like glue them or tape them to the fender and then just pop them in, I guess. I don't know. So give me a second. All right, so let's see. You guys are probably getting blocked. Hopefully not. But, yeah. I don't know what of that recorded, but got the fender on and the car is back to complete. Or yeah, it's back to complete. Tomorrow we will be bringing it to the shop, Dynamic Motorsports, same place that worked on the CL63. Yeah, we're gonna bring it there because Axion doesn't have availability until after the 4th, and I need the car, so we're gonna bring it there. And then when we do mods and stuff, we'll bring it to Axion if needed. But yeah, regardless, I always bring my cars to one of the two places because I'd rather give people I'm cool with my money as opposed to giving my money to strangers. So yeah, we are gonna buy some touch-up paint for this, and then the other two scratches, because again, I don't really care. This thing is gonna be mean looking more than just like a super clean thing. I really don't care for like perfect paint or anything like that. It's also gonna get a livery, whatever you call it. It's gonna have one. But yeah. Now we're gonna get to something that's not car related. Actually, I'll probably keep this video no, we're gonna do both in one video and just put this in two playlists and see what that does for the algorithm. So yeah, I'll get back to you after I wash my hands. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad, but we are in a different part of the house because the living room upstairs is far too hot and there's no AC in there. So we are doing it on the second floor. I was considering doing it in the basement, but I'm like, you know what? That's just a lot of work bringing this all the way down there. So here we are. Again, with no knife either. So it's got some teeth. Balmain on the feet. Louis to the left and the right of me. Type shit. But there's another thing that I've wanted for quite a while, and I found an insane deal that I could not pass up. So I said, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna get it. I did. Yes. And you may be able to see Balmain Pally. Saw the price and I said, Lee. Black box. Like that. Giggity. Always been a fan of some good, high quality black box. Madness, you get me? Balmain Pally, you get me? Done no size 44, you get me? So, no man like Jermaine has to open up the box. Love opening up a good little box. Good black box. Oh, me blood clot. What ya know? That's something that bad in a dog. What ya know? Alien them a go hate pan me, you know? Blood clot. Watch ya. Watch how the man body you fuck. Boy, see your fuck. Oh yes. Let me just get a little stuffing out of there. When they got all the good, just some good Balmain. Just some good Balmain. Can't go wrong with the Balmain. Yes. Type shit. Balmain pally thing out the way. Oh, sorry, a little too loose. Oh, sorry. I'm blocking the Louis. Can't block the Louis. Hold on, Mike. Hold on. I'm a little too zoomed in. Hold on a second. Like, tough. Like, I make myself sick. Tough type shit. Have to kick one off. And then yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Oh my God, no, these are different. These are different. Oh my God, I feel like I'm about to like invade the planet with these, bro. Say it ain't so, swaggy. Say it ain't so. Not the Balmain on Balmain on Balmain on Balmain. Oh. Like, me. Sorry, Louis. Type shit. Type shit. Stop playing with him. He is not one of them. He was never one of them. Like, oh my God. New favorites. Easily. New favorites. No, the thing bloodclaat, go dog. Something you mad, you fuck. Watch ya know. Bloodclaat. Step on them, 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 step on them. Bloodclaat, them shoes are wicked. Dog, that's something ya. In a little too alien to blow out. Crosses them something bad. Nah, bro. There's no way that the unicorns are better. Like, these are insane, bro. Oh my God. Bro, this is great. Like, my mind is legitimately blown right now. Like, oh my God, there is no way. Yeah, so I'll definitely be doing a part 2 to this video, because not taking these off. So catch you in the next one.